Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Paramount Plus on Roku. Quick guide step by step clearly. To activate Paramount Plus on your Roku device, start by turning on your Roku and navigating to the home screen. Select the Streaming Channels option from the menu. In the Streaming Channels section, scroll down to the Search Channels option. Use the search function to type in Paramount Plus. Once you find Paramount Plus in the search results, select it. Press the Add Channel button to install Paramount Plus on your Roku. After installation, return to the home screen and locate the Paramount Plus channel. Select the Paramount Plus channel to open it. You will see an option to sign in or activate. Choose the Activate option to receive an activation code on your screen. Now, open a web browser on your computer or smartphone. Go to the Paramount Plus activation website provided on your Roku screen. Enter the activation code you received on your Roku device. Follow the prompts to sign in with your Paramount Plus account. If you don't have an account, you can create one on this site. Once your account is verified, return to your Roku. Your Paramount Plus app will refresh and take you to the main screen. You're now ready to enjoy streaming your favorite shows and movies on Paramount Plus. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.